Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix security policy restriction clearing the app application data. Now guys, if you're facing this problem, we shall use AI overview and a step-by-step guide and see the solution to this. Now guys, let's check out step number one. Over here it says check the device administration. Okay, check the device administration over here. Now, what you're going to do is step number one says check the device administration. Go to the phone settings, tap on security and privacy, and then lock the screen. Then go ahead and choose more security, and then tap on device admin applications. Now, once you reach that point, go ahead and tap on the school account, or even if it's your personal account, or even the work account. If your device is connected to one, go ahead and remove it. In most cases, these accounts are the ones that bring up these issues. Now, another solution is to disable third party security and blocking applications. Now, guys, in most cases, if you have these third party applications, you can see where it says go ahead and disable them because this is what causes all these issues. Now, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If so, like and subscribe.